Hello and welcome to GADGET. In this video we will be unboxing the Portronics Chicklet Foldable Bluetooth keyboard. On the front of the box we have an image of the keyboard itself in its semi-folded state. On the left hand side we have the description of the keyboard. Up top is simply some Portronics branding. On the right hand side we have a few of the salient features which include a working time of up to 140 hours, rechargeable battery, slim and lightweight design, on-off button, connect button and foldable design. There is nothing on the bottom. On the back of the box we have some importing and manufacturing information right here and the customer care details under that. To the right hand side we have the BIS certification symbol, and above that we have some warranty information, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside we get some literature in the form of a user manual. This should help you get started off with using the device and help you connect it to any device that you need it to be connected to. Next is the warranty card with some information on how you can register for the warranty. But we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. We also have a charging cable with a USB type A interface on one end and a micro USB interface on the other. The length of the cable is approximately 17 inches. Coming to the foldable keyboard itself, we can see that it has a grainy black finish that runs all across the product. We have some Portronics branding on the side, and it is also magnetically locked, so it won't open up without any reason. Opening it up reveals the keyboard, and we can see that it pretty much has all the keys that you would normally find on a normal keyboard despite its small size. On the left hand side we have the on-off switch and the connect button. To the right of that we have a couple of LED lights that show you the status of the device and if it has any charge left or not. The keys are also nice and tactile and have a decent amount of travel in them. So let's get started off with using the keyboard. First we will need to switch it on. We can see that the status is blue. Now we'll press the connect button to put it into pairing mode. As we can see, the light is flashing white and blue, indicating now that it is in pairing mode. Next, we will look for the device in the available devices section of the Bluetooth menu. As you can see here, it is called Bluetooth 3.0 keyboard. Tap on it to begin the pairing process. As we can see, it has connected to the Android smartphone, and now we can use this keyboard to type on the smartphone. So this was the unboxing of the Portronics Chicklet Foldable Bluetooth keyboard. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.